Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is another request from one of my friends across the pond. This time we're looking into Utrust and the UTK token. So if you haven't heard of Utrust, it's all about merchant payments. We're going to be getting into that in today's video. I'll be giving you a thorough review on the background on the project, where it started, what it's hopefully going to morph into down the road, as well as I'll be giving you a price prediction at the end for where I think this one may end up at the end of the year. A little bit trickier on this one due to the stock chart, so hopefully I'm in the ballpark there, but we'll see where it goes. Definitely has a lot of potential, and that is today's video. All right, so as always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell, you'll be made aware whenever I post time-sensitive content just like this. All right, and now let's get it going. So what is Utrust? Well, Utrust is a payments platform that allows for fast, seamless merchant payments using cryptocurrency. All right? Now, how does it work? So buyers looking to purchase items from Utrust merchants would just simply select Pay with Utrust. Pretty easy, right? Then select the crypto you want to pay with. So you would select the crypto out of your wallet, which you want to use. You would then scan the QR code with your phone and confirm the payment. That's it. So pretty easy, right? Now, Utrust is available for personal or business use. So for businesses, Utrust offers the Utrust Merchant Dashboard that encompasses check order details, transactions, refunds, and settlements. We have API seamless integration, which allows merchant stores to accept digital payments easily and quickly. And the biggest selling feature here is a 1% fee versus anywhere from 3 to 11% in traditional payments. There's no fraud, which leads to increased profit margins. So that is a huge sales pitch to businesses. All right. Now, for personal use, Utrust shields buyers from market volatility by offering a refund option. It also works with any wallet. Users can use any major cryptocurrency, including ERC20 tokens. Users can expect low fees and near instant transactions, and users can send and request payments with the invoicing solution. Okay. Now, Utrust offers the Hold Wallet and Visa debit card, where users can store, exchange, sell, and stake their UTK to receive rewards. For staking, Utrust will reward users for spending, this is their reverse staking, for spending cryptocurrencies with UTK. So by spending other currencies, they'll give you UTK. Now, while holders of 1,000 UTK will get rewarded for trades and payments. Now, for a little bit of background, so Utrust was founded by, we have Nuno Correa, Roberto Machado, Felipe Castro, and Artur Gulau. Now, Utrust is currently available throughout Europe. So I did some digging around in the App Store. Obviously, I'm US-based. I couldn't find it in the App Store. So I started digging around through the websites, Twitter, etc. And it turns out that it's predominantly all through Europe is where Utrust is at the moment. So why that's important is that there's a lot of other countries out there outside of Europe to get into, right? So that means that they have lots of opportunity for expansion. Now, so for some news and some upcoming events. So Utrust announced on April 14th that reverse staking and compound yield is coming soon to merchants. This was on their Twitter page. They also announced that they have an AMA coming up this Friday on April 30th. So if you want to learn more about Utrust, feel free to tune into that. Now, on the Utrust website, they mentioned Tier 2 rewards, new features, and the Hold Wallet, and more cryptocurrencies coming soon. So that's a little bit of what they're working on. So let's talk token. So as of this recording, 4/28 of 2021, Utrust was ranked number 193 with a market cap of $230 million and 450 million out of 500 million capped coins in circulation, or 90%. I did find a reference on the website saying that this was going to be deflationary. So over time, that number could be dropping, okay? Now, UTK is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, if we insert the chart here, you can see that UTK started the year at 0.123203, and it's currently trading at 0.5103, or a 4.4x. Now, if we insert the trading view chart here, you can see we recently had a head and shoulders pattern that we broke out of. So if you're looking at the chart, it looks like shoulders, it looks like a head. That's basically the head and shoulders pattern. So to break out of that, we kind of have to go all the way back down to where we started, and then we start a new trend. So typically that signifies a little bit of a downturn, but it looks like we have broken out of it pretty sharply. So you can see the RSI, though, is basically has rebounded very sharply, as I just said, and the MACD has also started to turn around. So really, we're looking for new trends. And if we follow our new trend line, we could potentially see UTK at $1.30 at the end of the year, which would be roughly a 2.5x from today. Now, my price prediction, though, is for a little bit higher than that, right? I've been going back into all my price predictions and tweaking them a little bit. Let's go a little bit higher. I'm thinking this one is probably going to be somewhere around a 3 to 5x. That is my price prediction for the end of the year. Now, my reasoning is I feel like with alt season coming soon, potentially this summer, this one could obviously take off again. It could go way above my prediction, okay? Now, the market cap is also so low that there is tons of room for growth. So that's a really good thing here, right? Now, where you can buy UTK includes Binance, Huobi, Qcoin, Uniswap, Bittrex, OKX, and others. I do have referral links in the video description for referral bonuses. Check those out if you would like to, all right? Now, ultimately, I think this project has a lot going for it. They're doing a lot of things that make sense. I think where it really has potential is if they can start to expand outside of Europe. That's what they really need to do to get bigger. Now, the one catch here with this project is they are going to have some competition, right? Because merchant payments is exactly what PayPal was doing. So the difference, though, here is PayPal, to my knowledge, doesn't have a wallet like they do. They don't have their own coin. So there's some certain advantages here that Utrust has that are definitely over what PayPal can offer. So I do think that they could expand into more countries. Obviously, somewhere like the USA would be a good place to expand into, as well as throughout Asia, South America, etc. Okay? So that's where this project is at as of today. As I stated before, I did this video as a request, and hopefully it meets your needs. So, that being said, that is today's video on Utrust and the UTK token. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. As always, remember that I'm also on Twitter under KIR Finance, where I'm tweeting and retweeting on a regular basis. You can find me there. And for a friendly reminder, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.